Welcome my channel today. Let's explore the 10 cents coin from Australia. Minted in 1976, is more than just pocket change. It's a small metallic time capsule that holds within it the history of a nation, the reign of a monarch, and the precision of modern minting. This is the story of the 1976 Australian 10 cents coin, featuring Queen Elizabeth II. By 1976, Queen Elizabeth II had already reigned for over 2 decades, having ascended the throne in 1952. Australia, a member of the British Commonwealth, continued to feature the British monarch on its coins, though it had its own mint and unique coinage, after transitioning to decimal currency in 1966. The 10 cents coin was part of the decimal series introduced on 14th of February 1966, replacing the older pre-decimal shilling. Country of issue Australia. Mint, Royal Australian Mint in Canberra. Minting year 1976. Mint. Mark, none, standard for circulation issues. Mintage Volume. Approximately 73,180,000 coins were struck in 1976 for circulation. Denomination, 10 cents. Composition 75% copper, 25% nickel, Cupronickel. Weight, 5.65 grams. Diameter, 23.60 mm. Edge, milled, reeded. Shape, round designer, Arnold Machin. Description: the obverse features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, facing right. This version of the Queen's effigy was used on Australian coinage from 1966 to 1984. Inscription: Elizabeth II, Australia, 1976. This portrait is iconic and represents the mature dignity of the monarch during a stable period in Australian history. Designer, Stuart Devlin. Description: the reverse depicts a superb lyrebird, an Australian native bird known for its elaborate tail feathers and exceptional mimicry. Symbolism: the lyrebird symbolizes the richness and uniqueness of Australian wildlife. It is a favorite subject in Australian numismatics and a proud national emblem. Coins that entered regular use show various degrees of wear. Common issues: fading of the Queen's features, smoothing of the lyrebird details, and surface marks from handling grading, typical ranges. Fine, F. Heavily worn but visible features. Very fine, VF. Moderate wear, all details visible. Extremely fine, EF, XF. Light wear on high points only about uncirculated, AU. Almost new with minimal marks between 0.10 to 0.50 AUD, depending on condition 7. Uncirculated condition and collector. Value: uncirculated coins never used in transactions. Remain in pristine condition. Brilliant uncirculated, BU or mint state MS coins are sharply struck with full details, and luster proofs were not made for general circulation in 1976 for 10C coins. But collectors may find specimen sets, MS63, MS65, or $90 to $3 AUD, MS666 plus, rare. Can go higher, up to $10 AUD or more, especially if slabbed by grading services like PCGS or NGC. There are no widely known major varieties or errors for the 1976 10C coin, though some error types like off-center strikes or die cracks may occasionally surface, raising collector interest. 9. Legacy and relevance. Though often overlooked in everyday transactions, the 1976 Australian 10 cents coin is a testament to stable design, national identity, and the enduring presence of Queen Elizabeth II in Commonwealth realms. It continues to circulate to this day, a quiet ambassador of Australia's cultural and monetary heritage. Conclusion: whether you're a seasoned numismatist or a casual collector, the 1976 Elizabeth II 10 cents coin offers a glimpse into a bygone era, rooted in tradition yet relevant today. Its design, composition, and historic significance ensure it remains a cherished part of Australian coinage. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, share, and subscribe more coin collecting content.